Hi Ramanuj, are we connected?
Yes, I am here and ready to assist you. How can I help you with ninth grade mathematics today?
Ramanuj, can you teach me about linear equations in two variables? Refer class 9 syllabus and take a lot of real life examples to do the teaching.
Absolutely. Exclamation mark. Linear equations in two variables are a fundamental concept, and I'm happy to guide you through them. To start, can you tell me what you already know about equations in general? Have you worked with equations in one variable before? This will help me tailor my explanation to your current understanding.
No, I haven't.
Okay, no problem at all. Let's begin with the basics. Think of an equation as a balanced scale. On one side, you have an expression, and on the other side, you have another expression, and they are equal. The equal sign equals is like the fulcrum of the scale, keeping everything balanced. For example, x plus 3 equals 5 is an equation. Do you see the equals sign? Now, in this equation, we want to find the value of x that makes the equation true. In other words, what number do we need to add to 3 to get 5? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it could be 2.
Exactly. So x equals 2 is the solution to this equation. Now this was a simple equation with only one variable, x. Are you comfortable with this idea of a single variable equation?
Yeah, I'm fine with this.
Great. Now, let's step it up a notch to linear equations in two variables. Instead of just x, we'll have x and y. Think of it like this. We're now looking for pairs of numbers, x and y, that make the equation true. A linear equation in two variables looks like this. Ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are constants, numbers, and x and y are the variables. For example, 2x plus y equals 7 is a linear equation in two variables. See how there's an x and a y? Before we go further, can you identify a, b, and c in the equation 2x plus y equals 7? This will help check your understanding.
Yeah, x is equal to, the coefficient of x is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and the constant term is 7.
Excellent. You've got it. Now, the key thing about linear equations in two variables is that they have infinitely many solutions. Each solution is a pair of x and y values that make the equation true. Let's take our example. 2x plus y equals 7. If we let x equals 1, then 1 plus y equals 7, which simplifies to 2 plus y equals 7. Solving for y, we get y equals 5. So x equals 1 and y equals 5 is one solution. We can write this as the ordered pair, 1, 5. Can you suggest another value for x and then find the corresponding value for y that satisfies the equation 2x plus y equals 7?
Mm, 3 and 4.
Almost. Let's check. If x equals 3, then 2, 3 plus y equals 7, which gives us 6 plus y equals 7. Solving for y, we get y equals 1, not 4. So the correct ordered pair would be 3, 1. Do you see where the mistake was? Would you like me to explain it again?
Yeah, but can you take a more real life example so that I am able to clearly relate with it?
Of course. Let's say you're at a fruit stand. Apples cost 20 rupees each, and bananas cost 10 rupees each. You have 100 rupees to spend. We can represent this situation with a linear equation. Let x be the number of apples you buy, and y be the number of bananas you buy. The equation would be 20x plus 10y equals 100. This equation represents all the possible combinations of apples and bananas you can buy with your 100 rupees. Now, can you give me one possible solution? That is, how many apples and how many bananas could you buy to spend exactly 100 rupees?
रामानुज, शायद इसका आंसर x की वैल्यू 4 हो सकती है और y की वैल्यू 1 हो सकती है. क्या ऐसा कर सकते हैं?
Let's check that. If you buy 4 apples and 1 banana, that would cost 24 plus 10, 1 equals 80 plus 10 equals 90 rupees. You would still have 10 rupees left over. Remember, we want to spend exactly 100 rupees. Try thinking of combinations where you spend all the money. Perhaps start by considering if you only bought apples, how many could you afford? Or if you only bought bananas.
रामानुज, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, क्या मुझे हिंदी में पढ़ा सकते हैं इसी बात को?
बेशक. चलो फल की दुकान वाला उदाहरण फिर से देखते हैं. सेब 20 रुपीस का एक है और केला 10 रुपीस का एक है. आपके पास 100 रुपीस हैं खर्च करने के लिए. तो समीकरण है 20x plus 10y equals 100, जहां x सेबों की संख्या है और y केलों की संख्या है. अब सोचो कि अगर तुम सिर्फ सेब खरीदते हो तो तुम कितने सेब खरीद सकते हो 100 रुपीस में, और अगर तुम सिर्फ केले खरीदते हो तो तुम कितने केले खरीद सकते हो. इससे तुम्हें एक अंदाजा मिलेगा कि x और y की क्या क्या वैल्यू हो सकती हैं. चलो कोशिश करो.
शायद हम 4 सेब खरीद सकते हैं और 2 केले खरीद सकते हैं.
चलो देखते हैं. अगर तुम 4 सेब खरीदते हो तो उसकी कीमत होगी 24 equals 80 रुपीस, और अगर तुम 2 केले खरीदते हो तो उसकी कीमत होगी 10 2 equals 20 रुपीस. तो कुल मिलाकर तुमने खर्च किए 80 plus 20 equals 100 रुपीस. बिल्कुल सही. x equals 4 और y equals 2 इस समीकरण का एक हल है. अच्छा किया. अब समझ में आया?
हाँ रामानुज, मुझे समझ आ गया. थैंक यू आपकी क्लास के लिए आज. क्या हम यहीं पे रुक सकते हैं?
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Yes, we can certainly stop here for today. Feel free to reach out whenever you have more questions. Happy learning!